Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete layer in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open up Photopea software. In this video, I will show. Now you can see delete layer. Now we show the home file. Now go into the file menu option. Then click. Now open the layer. Now click from open and place option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. That is. Now you can see. Then we show the layer. Now again apply the open the others layer. Now you can see, then we select from confirm option. Now you can see, then going to the window option. Now select from layer option. Now you can see, then we show the many layer. Now select from first layer. Now click for mouse right button option, then click from delete. That it's. Now you can see, then delete from others layer. Now click from layer menu option. Now click mouse right button, then click from delete. That it's. Now you can see delete layer in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.